that members of this House will guide their constituents accordingly in prioritizing new projects. And as we do so, let us also empower these constituency oversight committees, which under the current Act have a role to play in oversighting these funds. The Speaker. The Speaker can tell you, and those of us who are here for the first time, that if these funds are utilized prudently, there are very, very high chances that you will make it back to this House. But if by any chance these funds are misappropriated, you will be basically digging a political grave, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I must say that as we embark on this new journey of coming up with the new projects for the new financial year, let us take it upon ourselves to ensure that this NGCDF is ring-fenced further and further. This NGCDF must be ring-fenced by whatever means possible. For some of us, this is the only fund we can talk of. This is the only fund you can be sure of, Mr. Speaker. And sometimes I wonder, this idea of MPs developing a habit of disturbing State House for development, I don't know where it comes from. Yet the development you can count and you can touch is that which comes from the utilization of NGCDF funds. So stop disturbing State House with endless visits. MPs from especially my side of the political divide. Stop wasting your time queuing at State House looking for so-called development, yet you have got an opportunity to develop your constituency using the NGCDF funds, which are being managed by your own committees, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, with those very many remarks, I wish to support, to second, and